welcome back to USA CarReview. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic full-size SUVs in America, now redesigned for the future, the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Suburban. This isn't just an update. Chevrolet has re-engineered their biggest SUV to keep it at the top of the class. At first glance, the 2025 Suburban immediately stands out with a more refined, modern exterior. Chevrolet has sharpened the lines, stretched the grille, and added slimmer LED headlights that give it a bold but premium look. It still has the commanding presence that Suburban owners expect, but with a more aerodynamic touch. The rear design has also been updated with new taillights and a cleaner profile, making this SUV look just as good cruising through the city as it does parked at a mountain cabin. Under the hood, buyers get choices that balance power and efficiency. The standard 5.3-liter V8 continues to deliver reliable muscle, while the upgraded 6.2-liter V8 pushes even more horsepower for those who want maximum performance. Chevrolet has also kept the Duramax 3.0-liter turbo diesel option, perfect for towing and long-distance driving with impressive fuel economy for an SUV this size. All engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and of course, 4-wheel drive is available for those who need capability in tough conditions. Step inside, and the 2025 Suburban feels like a luxury living room on wheels. Chevrolet redesigned the interior with higher quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and a cleaner dashboard layout. Front and center, you get a massive 17.7-inch touchscreen paired with an 11-inch digital driver display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with Google built-in features for navigation and voice commands. Rear passengers won't be left behind either. There's available rear entertainment with large HD screens and multiple USB-C ports to keep everyone connected. What sets the Suburban apart is space. With 3 rows of seating, this SUV can carry up to 9 passengers, depending on configuration. The second row seats slide and recline, making long trips much more comfortable. Cargo space remains best in class, with enough room to fit luggage, sports gear, or just about anything a family could need. Fold the seats flat, and you've basically got a moving van with style. Chevrolet has also packed in advanced safety and driver assistance technology. You'll find features like lane keep assist, forward collision alert with automatic emergency braking, blind zone steering assist, and adaptive cruise control. For the first time, the Suburban now offers Super Cruise, Chevrolet's hands-free driving system that works on compatible highways across the United States. Towing is another highlight. With the proper configuration, the 2025 Suburban can tow up to 200 pounds, making it a strong choice for hauling boats, campers, or trailers. Add in an advanced trailering package with multiple camera views, and it makes the job easier and safer than ever. Overall, the 2025 Chevrolet Suburban continues its legacy as the ultimate full-size family SUV. It's big, bold, and powerful, but now it's also smarter, safer, and more connected than ever before. Whether you're driving through the city, taking a cross-country road trip, or towing your weekend toys, the Suburban proves once again why it's been an American favorite for decades. Thanks for watching USA CarReview. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think of the all-new Suburban. Would you choose the V8, the diesel, or wait for a hybrid version in the future?